Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see this mobile Redmi. When I set up this mobile complete this there are some problem are showing. You can see here not sign in this mobile setup phone. So how to remove and unlock this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Friends, follow my step by step. You can share no SIM card and connect Wi-Fi hotspot. You can see, and now click add network. Uh, Here you have to write link www.youtube.com. When you enter this text link and mark this text, after that share. You can see here and click on open browse this link view can. So now you have to click again. After that, friends, click on profile and terms and privacy policy, accept and continue. You can see here browser is open now, and now you have to search this link frpfile.com slash bypass. When you enter this link, then click search, and now you have to download two application and scroll down. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android Edge and bypass FRP 1.0 APK install. So now friends, two application are downloaded and now you have to install. Now friends, install Google Account Manager. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Next, install bypass FRP 1.0 APK and open this application. When install complete, open this application and click on three dot browse sign in. After that, friends, you have to enter your Gmail account. When you enter your Gmail address, then click on next. After, friend, you have to input password of Gmail and sign in. And sign in completed. Now friends, you have to restart this mobile. Do it. So friends, restart completed. Now you have to set up this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos and checking for update. You can see here. Guys, this mobile FRP bypass is unlocked. Google verifying account is removed. Now you can see here this mobile setup is completed. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Setup completed. You can see here this mobile is unlocked. Now bye, be back later, see you next.